Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track orders on Temu, guys. So first things first, you want to come to the Temu homepage, make sure you're logged in, and then come here on Orders and Account, and you can click right here on Orders and Account, and then guys, what's going to happen is they're going to redirect you to this page, and under Orders, guys, what you're going to be doing is if you want to track the orders, you want to visit basically your orders section right here, and you want to click on the track button next to your order to actually get a direct link to your shipping information. So here guys, you'll be able to see your shipping carrier, your tracking number, estimated delivery time, and the latest shipping status on the package. And if a tracking number, guys, is not available yet, then what's happening is that the warehouse may still be processing the order. You want to allow at least 1 to 3 business days for warehouse processing, and they will notify you when your tracking number is ready and your order has actually been shipped. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and it shed some light on this topic. If it did, guys, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.